Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making a lime pie that not only looks exotic but also tastes heavenly. I'm really happy today. This is my 50th video after all. Remember to subscribe to my channel for interesting and easy recipes. For the pie base, we need melted butter, icing sugar and biscuit crumbs. I'm using Arrowroot biscuits. You could use graham crackers or digestive biscuits instead. Let's add in the icing sugar. Just mix it lightly. Pour in the melted butter. Time to get in the fingers. After mixing for about 2 minutes, this is what we get. I'll do the fist test and see if it holds. That's very fine. Otherwise, you could add a bit more butter and do the test again. That's perfect. I'm using a loose bottom pie dish. 8-inch or 9-inch would be perfect. Add in the crumbs. Have you subscribed to my channel already? Let's start forming the base. Use a glass or a bowl. That's done. Just take your time at this stage. You really want the crust to be fitted into the pie mold. And we'll just pop it in the fridge for 15 minutes. I just got the pie out of the fridge. It had been chilling for 15 minutes. Bake the pie crust in a preheated oven at 160 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes or until the pie crust becomes firm and light brown in color. It took 12 minutes to bake. Place it on a wire rack and let it cool completely. For the filling, we need 400 grams of sweetened condensed milk, half a cup of lime juice. You could use the concentrate, lime zest, 2 egg yolks and 1 whole egg, and vanilla essence. In a bowl, add in the condensed milk, and the eggs. I'm using an electrical beater. You could use a whisk as well. We need to beat it till it's light and pale and fluffy. I'll add in half a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix it. Just look at the air bubbles in it. It took me about 10 minutes to get here. I'll add in the zest. And also the lime juice, a little at a time. That looks nice and thick. The pie crust has cooled down completely. Time to fill it in. We don't want to lose out on any of the filling. So just scrape it well and add it in. Use the spatula to just spread it out slightly. Time to bake it. Bake at 160 degrees in a preheated oven till the filling is just set. The pie took 12 minutes to cook. We have to cool it down completely before we decorate it. I have here a piping bag filled with whipped cream and fitted with a star nozzle. The pie has cooled down completely, so let's decorate. Don't they look pretty? If you like the recipe, do click the like button and share it with your friends. So now we have a very pretty looking pie. It needs to be set in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours or best done overnight. The pie has set completely. Now for the moment of truth. Cut out a slice. Demold the pie carefully. Serve it and watch out for all the praise. We need to wash the lime and wipe them dry. Then use a knife to carefully peel the outer skin, that is the greenish yellowish skin or the zest. Be careful not to include the white part at all. The white part is the one that's bitter. So we just need the outer skin. I like to do it with the knife. If you want, you can use a grater, but be careful not to press too hard while you are grating it. Otherwise, there's a chance that you may just grate the white part in as well, and that will make the dessert really bitter. So we need to chop them up finely. And there you have it.